Today we're exploring the design, performance, and features of the ASUS ROG G700 PC to see who it's really for. The ASUS ROG G700 PC has garnered a 4.7/5 rating from 30 reviews, highlighting its impressive capabilities and overall value. Equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD PCIe 4.0 storage, this PC is a formidable force in gaming and multitasking. The G700's dual-glass chassis is a standout feature, showcasing the iconic ROG/ and Fearless Eye logo with customizable Aura Sync RGB lighting. This striking design not only looks great but also provides excellent airflow thanks to its quad-fan system and 240mm liquid cooler. The addition of dust filters ensures long-term reliability. In terms of display quality, the G700 screen is not explicitly mentioned in the specifications, which may be a drawback for some users who rely heavily on visual performance. However, it's worth noting that this PC is designed primarily for gaming and content creation, where display quality might not be as crucial. Performance-wise, the G700 delivers seamless gaming and multitasking experiences thanks to its powerful processor and GPU combination. The 32GB DDR5 RAM ensures smooth transitions between tasks, while the high-speed SSD storage provides rapid loading times. The G700's advanced connectivity features include 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and a range of versatile ports. For those who value immersive audio experiences, Dolby Atmos audio and AI noise cancellation are available to enhance sound quality and communication. One of the standout features of the G700 is its tool-less access design, which allows users to easily swap out components for future upgrades. This ensures that the PC remains future-proof and continues to perform well over time. However, it's worth noting that the G700's high-end specifications come at a price, with some users reporting noise levels from the liquid cooler and fans. Additionally, the PC's size and weight may be a concern for those who prefer more compact desktops. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG G700 PC is an excellent choice for gamers and content creators who require powerful performance and advanced features. While it may not be perfect, its strengths outweigh its limitations, making it a solid investment for those willing to invest in high-end hardware. For current pricing and more details, check the links below. Hopefully this helped you decide whether it's the right choice for your needs.